There's many things that a good attorney would use at trial against a trucking company on their driver. For example, did they take a drug test, which they're required to do? How many hours were they working, which there's limits on how many hours they were working? Let us look at his cell phone to see if he was texting or on the phone at the time of the accident. There's so many things that a good lawyer that's experienced in taking truck accident cases can secure to show that the driver may have been violating the company's own policies. So it's important that you get your attorney to get all that evidence immediately.